Christian Westbell, the General Manager at Raffles Hotel, and today I have the ultimate pleasure and excitement to introduce you to the reinvigorated and restored Raffles Hotel Singapore. We've been working on this restoration for many years, and to finally see that everything comes together is a wonderful feeling. We hope that the public and our guests that are returning will respond very positively to the changes. We have preserved everything that has made us who we are and so famous. That includes our colonial architecture, the heritage and the many stories that we're known for. We have created a number of new spaces and new facilities around our beautiful property. That includes new suite categories. The newest additions in our suite categories are the residence suite. We have 5 of these residence suites, 4 one-bedroom suites and 1 two-bedroom suites. All these suites are actually named after popular and famous cinemas, as many years ago North Bridge Road was home of cinemas in Singapore. We have moved our Raffles gift shop, now called Raffles Boutique, from its original location at Bras Basah Wing to Sear Street. We have always been known to be a destination to celebrate and enjoy food and beverage offerings, so we took that upon us to re-energize and reinvigorate our F&B offerings. For example, we have created a new ballroom by converting the Jubilee Hall into a Jubilee Ballroom, a beautiful 6-meter high ceiling and air-conditioned foyer that provides space for 320 guests. We're very pleased to have 3 consultancy chefs coming into our family, with Anne-Sophie Peak at La Dame de Peak at Raffles Singapore, BBR by Alain Ducasse, and most exciting Yi by Jeremy Leung, our own Chinese restaurant back under our wings. We're very excited to see the return of Tiffin Room, one of our most iconic restaurants with an origin from 1892. Now features very dramatic ceiling features and a very warm, characteristic wooden flooring. We're also very pleased to have Writer's Bar now as a full-fledged bar that offers the highest level of mixology. Furthermore, we have looked at the Grand Hotel lobby to reinstate it as a destination to celebrate, enjoy and watch time passing by. Therefore, we have brought into the hotel lobby our classic afternoon tea that will welcome Singapore and global travelers alike.